I was beaming in the beam, just beaming. I can't believe that I caught my man cheating. So I found another way to make him pay for it all. So I went to Neiman Marcus on the shopping spree. And on the way I grabbed Sully and Mia. And as the cash box rang, I brought everything away. Yeah. There goes the dreams we used to say. There goes the love I had to say. There goes the love I had, but you cheated on me, and that's all gone now. There goes the house we made a home. There goes you never leave me alone. For all the lies you told, this is what you owe. Hey ladies, when your man wanna get buck wild, just go ahead and hit him up style. Get your hands in the cash and spend it to the last time for all the hard time. Oh, when you go and everything goes, from the crib to the ride to the shows. So you better let him know that if he mess up, you gotta hit him up. Hey ladies, when your man wanna get buck wild, just go back and hit him up style. Spend it to the last time for all the hard time. Oh.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Conroy.
Wow, Antonia, that was really nice. That was fun. I enjoyed it. It's one of the things that you did with all of your attitude and your drama and everything that really worked. It was nice.
Anthony.
A little Antonia goes a long way, so she wisely chose a song with lots of vibes, and it suited your kind of powerhouse vibrato kind of delivery. So good job.
All right, Alaine.
Oh my goodness, Antonia said something nice for you after your mother named you after him and all of these things. I'm kidding. She didn't. She wouldn't do that. Not to you. Great job. Full of energy, full of sass, young, fun, fabulous.
Thanks, judges.